What's up guys, AK with DCC Train, and I'm ready to assemble that final assembly of the tender, which is complete installation BR17 made by ROCO in Austria. I believe it's late 90s. Discontinued as is, so it was never ready for DCC. There is Flashman model. ROCO acquired Flashman, so I'm just like hoping they will bring something nice together. But that Flashman discontinued. It was ready for DCC with 6-pin plug, some space for the speaker, but definitely space for the decoder. So I accomplished this installation relatively easy. So that is turning of the complicity from level 8 to solid 9. My level is from 0 to 10. Yeah, because I'm thinking a lot of different steps. The toughest part to open the boiler, actually to take the weight, and I have another locomotive because it will be 2 on consist on module layouts. That's the reason it's getting energy storage. So I will do like more videos, detailed videos how I'm doing it of the other engine. But just to take that cab, that was a very I don't want to say really complicated, but yeah, it wasn't easy. Anyway, so change LEDs, everything's cool. So I have 2 wires coming here from boiler and 3 wires on the other side. I make those holes because it's just easy and nice connection. You're not gonna see much here at all. I have to keep that board, which is provide connection, but I have another just for be on the safe side. I have the wire connection. So 5 wires, 2 for speaker, 2 pickups, and 1 for signal for headlight. All right, getting energy storage and how to determine different wires, because I don't have red here, but I have bunch of black. They are thinner wires, but of course before I'm connecting decoder, soldering decoder, and decoder going on the other side of that tender, and there will be cover, plastic cover. Original plan to go with the decoder in the boiler around close to the cab, but I have to lose about 1/3 of the weight, and this is pusher, so the motor in the back pushing that thing forward, wheels just rotating, and weight very important, so it's not gonna see like miscalculate with the chuffs, it will stuck. No, they rotating very good, so even on the plastic here, no problem. But that's sometimes an issue. This is it for today. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Also, you can buy me a coffee. I will be really happy. Have a good one. Bye bye.